Hi lovely viewers, we are back with a new knowledge dish and the name of the dish is treaty shopping. Now in this video, we will talk about the origin and meaning of the concept of treaty shopping. So without wasting any time, let's taste this chatakedar dish. Now the origin of the concept of treaty shopping lies in the practice known as forum shopping. Now you might be thinking, what is meant by the term forum shopping? I guess this song may help.
निकला ओ गड्डी लेके
Before you turn your thinking car in Dusri Gali, let me tell you that forum shopping is nothing to do with buying a court or a tribunal or forum. Rather, it refers to a situation in the US civil procedure whereby a litigant nikla gaddi leke to search for different jurisdictions in which he is expected a more favorable decision to be rendered. Drawing the analogy from this, treaty shopping refers to the practice of some investors borrowing a tax treaty by forming an entity in a country having a favorable tax treaty with the country of source. Now I know, कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आया. So let's take an example. Consider India, US and UK. Now as it is visible that India and USA have no agreement for tax benefits, whereas India and US both have tax benefit agreement with UK. Further, that parent company A is located in US, subsidiary company B is located in India and holding company C is located in UK. Now, subsidiary company B wants to transfer dividend income to parent company A. If the subsidiary company transfers the income directly to company A, then it would be subject to tax as there is no tax benefit agreement between India and US. Now in order to facilitate the transfer, parent company started to look, that is search for countries having a favorable tax treaty with country of source and finds that UK has tax benefit agreement with both India and USA. Now instead of directly transferring the amount to the parent company A, the company B first transfers the amount to company C and then company C transfers the amount to company A, and in this manner they are able to save taxes. Moreover, in this example, company C is also called as an interposed company, which we can say is an intermediary placed between company B and company A in order to facilitate the transfer, and otherwise company C does not carry on any other economic activity. Now this practice of looking for a country having favorable tax treaty with a country of source is known as treaty shopping. In the next video, we will cover objections for treaty shopping and how the countries deal with this practice. If you found this dish tasty, do like and share with others. Till then, stay safe, keep learning.